Hi everyone, I'm Lyla. Lately, I've been eating so much delicious food and my stomach's been feeling a bit heavy and bloated. So today, I've prepared a gentle yoga flow that helps relieve digestion after overeating. Whenever I feel bloated, I love sipping warm peppermint or ginger tea. I hope you can enjoy a warm cup of tea before or after class today for a relaxing time. When you're ready, let's begin sitting comfortably on our mats. Rest your hands comfortably on your legs. Take a deep breath in through your nose, letting your belly expand. And exhale completely, drawing your belly in. Inhale again, creating space inside for digestion. And exhale, gently drawing your navel toward your spine, stimulating those inner abdominal muscles. Keep breathing like this at your own sweet pace, following the gentle rise and fall of your belly. Now place your right hand down on the mat, reach your left arm up to the sky, and gently lean over to the right. Feel that lovely stretch along your left side body. Deep breath in and out. Now place your left hand on your right knee, right hand behind you on the floor, and softly twist your body to the right. Gently release back to center. Place your left hand down, reach your right arm high, and lean over to the left, stretching out your right side body and keep breathing deeply. Place your right hand on your left knee, left hand behind you, and softly twist to the left. Return to center, interlace your fingers, and reach them high up toward the sky. Inhale, lengthening your spine, and exhale, gently release your hands down. One more time, inhale, reach up high. Maybe sway gently side to side to lengthen out your waist. And exhale, let it all go. Extend both legs long in front of you. Bend your right knee and place the sole of your foot against your inner left thigh. And slowly fold forward over your left leg. Draw your belly in as you lower down. If your hamstrings feel tight, keep a gentle bend in your knee. Relax your shoulders and take a deep, soothing breath. Slowly rise up. Cross your right foot over your left knee. Place your right hand behind you and hug your knee with your left arm and twist. Twisting postures like this gently massage your internal organs, boosting digestion and circulation to relieve bloating and constipation. So keep breathing deeply. Return to center, stack your right knee on top of your left knee into cow face pose. Ground both hips down. Inhale to lift and exhale, fold forward over your legs. Melt your upper body down and take a deep, calming breath. Slowly rise up and extend both legs long. Now bend your left knee and sole of the foot against your right inner thigh and gently fold forward. With every exhale, pull your belly in slightly to stimulate your digestion. And relax all the tension in your neck and shoulders. Rise up, cross your left foot over your right knee and twist to your left. Inhale, grow tall, and exhale, draw your belly in and twist a little deeper. Return to center, stack your left knee over your right for cow face pose, Gomukhasana, and fold forward to wherever you feel tightness, letting the breath soothe any tension. Rise up, uncross your legs, and come into tabletop position. Hands under shoulders, knees hip-width apart. Inhale into cow pose, dipping your belly, lifting your gaze and tailbone. Feel free to sway side to side here, stretching your side body. Now exhale into cat pose, rounding your spine and drawing your navel in towards your spine. Sway gently side to side here as well, waking up your back muscles. Repeat this cat-cow flow at your own pace, stretching out the front, side, and back of your body, fully relaxing your shoulders and neck. Return to a neutral spine and sink your hips back into child's pose. Rest your forehead on the mat and release all tension from your body. If your stomach or hips feel uncomfortable, widen your knees a bit more. Take deep, nourishing breaths here. Slowly rise up to sit on your heels. Interlace your fingers and reach your arms up high. Lift your hips slightly and drop them over to the right floor, leaning your body to the left to stretch your right side body. Inhale, lift back up. Drop your hips to the left floor, leaning to the right to stretch your left side body. Let's repeat this flow. Move with your own rhythm, opening up your side body and giving your digestive system room to breathe. Return to center. Release your hands and interlace your fingers behind your back. Inhale, lift your chest and open your heart wide. And exhale, softly release. Find a comfortable seated position and let's give your bellies a gentle massage. Place both hands on your stomach. As you breathe deeply, apply a little soft pleasure and draw a gentle circle with your hands. Please don't blame yourself for overeating today. Those delicious, happy moments you shared were more than enough. Now circle your hands in the opposite direction. Instead of worrying, moving your body slowly like this is so much better for your digestion. Someday we feel a bit bloated, and some days our belly's soft, and that's totally okay. No matter what anyone says, please cherish and love your body just as it is. Now gently stroke your hands down from your sternum toward your navel, releasing all the heaviness inside. How do you feel now? Does your stomach feel a little lighter? Just 10 short minutes spent on yourself is more than enough to nourish your body and mind. Let's finish with 2 deep breaths together. Inhale deeply and exhale long. One more time, inhale fresh energy and exhale completely. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Have a beautiful and happy day ahead. Namaste. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much and see you in next video.